on Duff, middle of nowhere, and today I got a different package. Okay, so this package is from that. Why is this thing focused off? Stupid pop bottle. There. I'm just covering my own stuff. So DDR3 connector adapters. Okay, so what they're for? I'm just gonna flip it over. So I have laptop RAM. But I also have down there, that little computer, well, it's not that little. That tower takes DDR3, where my beast takes DDR4, and that's DDR2, those two. I don't care for those really, but I want that power supply, that's 500 of that, and put it into the one that takes DDR3. So I'm going to open this up, install the RAM. These are only 4 gig chips, so it shouldn't be that hard. And I'm pretty sure, because that says it takes 24 gigs. So there's already 16 in there. So there's 4 giggers, and 2 more should do it. So just open this up and see what it is. Okay, so they come in static bags. There's the other bag there. Pretty simple chip. You can get a good look at it, probably through this one. So you can see how it fits in. I'm going to open this bag. As you can see, my RAM tippers. See? Cover it up. Hopefully it focuses anytime soon. 4 gigs. 4 gigs, okay? So these, essentially, because I don't want to really press the chips onto that, so it's very, very simple. Just like laptop RAM, you put it in and you clip it in place. But that was a complete fail. You gotta get it right in there. Am I missing something here? That's odd. Not impressed. Because if this doesn't stay in, like that just slips out like it's nothing. Because it's so, I must be doing it wrong. Put that one down. They're identical, so that's all I need to do is. Oh, there we go. See, it felt out it goes, and then it clips down. There we go. But it feels like it pops out. There, see how it's in there? Like very little amount showing. These 2 tabs should be sitting upright. Just almost even where it goes in. I'll do the next one, just because I can. They're not paired. I'm not worried. Why is it doing that? I don't get it. There it goes. I feel that. Yeah. And then, beautiful, it's in. So technically, there's another 16 gigs of DDR3 RAM for desktop, not laptop. So next is to get that big tower over and put it in. This is a Z400 workstation, HP, and those are where the 2 RAM chips got left to go. Now the problem being, you put this on, there isn't that much space for it. So let's just put one in, because most likely I have to put them over here, and that would probably be my best bet. Okay, open up the chip. Just put that there. It's not gonna hurt it. Open up that one, that one. Just get them in there. And 1 in, 2 in. I push one down, and I push the other down. Done. Okay. I'm not going to try it with like 5 chips. And they have to be staggered for some stupid reason, but it is what it is. There we go. Technically, that's 24 gigs of RAM. let's just take a look. The shield will go down on it without issue. No, it won't technically lock in place. I can try to force it, but it's that tall laptop RAM. So really, I could just let it sit here, and it's not going to do anything, because this will just hold against the door. But that's still, you know what? Fuck it. Who cares? Leave it out. I don't need that in. Alright, next now I'm going to boot it up. Alright, that's in there. Let's see. Nah, one piece of crap. Yeah, my lights flickered because it's... I've got two... For some reason, the amper, it's just an old house and all. Did I not... Okay. Well, that's not good right off the bat. So I'll have to figure it out. So I did a little digging on my phone. So this technically, the S10600 is a 1333, and that is a 1600, whatever the fuck the other style number is. Okay, this here won't work. Too fucking fast, apparently. And this here won't work because it's also not ECC. These both need to be ECC. So if I can go find 4 gigs each, like so 8, to swap them out, I need a dual channel 4 gigs of that each. And just, I don't care if I pay like another $5 or $10 just to put another 16 gigs in this old computer. So, done. Take these out because they're, oh, holy crap. There we go, quite useless at this moment now. I'm not gonna route that these are to blame. I can route that these are possibly to blame, and yeah, so all my other 16 gigs in there work right now. But we'll see if we can find some better RAM. It is for a crappy computer, so it's not a priority, but it is what it is. I'm Duff, middle knower, like, subscribe, comment, and well, let me know if you have any of that stuff lying around and you're in Alberta. Just send it my way. I'll fucking pay for it, but I'll even give you these. I don't know if it's going to be any different. I don't care if it's even a 1066 I'll take right now. But as long as they're paired ECC, that's what I need. 1066 or 1333. If I haven't already done the other video, the video that would be, you know, showing these working, I'd still be waiting for them. Wait for the next video if need be, but ask questions. I'm Duff, middle knower, and have a good one.